Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I thought I'd show you really quickly some of the other items that are going to be in your kit. You're going to get a little red heart eyelet, a little flower eyelet, and these are the downloadable printables. So this one is the first one. This one is the second. It says, "As I beheld a rosebud kissed by the morning dew, my thought fleds to a fairer, so I send this one to you." So it's a rose, and it would be really pretty with some like glitter glue on it to make it look like it's a little bit damp. And then we have this beautiful Victorian lady, and it's handwritten on here, Loretta, someday. When this card was sent to my extra aunt, my favorite aunt, she was actually a young girl still, and it was sent from her brother. So it was really, that's kind of cool. And then the other one I've been cutting up and using it in the series. So it has these two here, and at the bottom it says "A Token of Love," and this is the top. And let's see, in here I've used a piece from the side, so there's that on one side and then on the other side as well. So so those are the downloadable printables that you're going to get. You're going to get one sheet already printed, and then I will email you the file so that you will forever be able to download the 4 printables when you purchase this kit. So this kit will be available today, Friday the 4th, Friday, January 5th at 4 o'clock on Pacific time. So just wanted you to have that and know that that was coming. There, I've also added some other items. There's going to be a piece of this ribbon in there. It's wired. I'm actually going to cut it, as I've done here, and use it cut, because you know I don't use things the way the way that they are. So anyway, let me get this up so that you can see it, and the next video is me making this, and it is uploading, and it is taking forever. I really need better. When you live in the boonies, I need better internet service. So have an amazing day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. And this downloadable printable itself will be available in my Etsy shop sometime before mid-January, and I'll let you know when. Have a great day. Bye.